everyone, I'm Alankriti Tiwari and I'm thrilled to share that I've been placed at Deloitte as US tax consultant. But today, it is not about me. It is about a milestone that makes all of us at PIBM proud. 22 of our batchmates have been placed with one of the leading consulting giants, Deloitte. This achievement is a true reflection of the rigorous training, certifications, and experiential learning we receive at PIBM. So now, let's head over to our finance batchmates and hear from them about their journey and learnings from PIBM.
So here we have attended live interactions which gave us an opportunity to understand more about valuation, taxation and portfolio management.
So PIBM specialized training gave us practical exposure to global taxation, auditing and compliance.
Our profile-based training in global taxation and IFRS gave us competitive agent consulting roles.
PIBM's practical learning exposure gave me confidence in handling derivatives and mutual funds.
PIBM's training in corporate finance provided me mastery in valuation and capital budgeting techniques.
Here I got some finance students who are playing here some games. So now let's go, meet them and hear about their journey and experiences at PIBM. Hi, can you please share me your experiences?
Yes. So corporate sessions conducted here with CFOs expanded our global financial knowledge. PIBM's emphasis on fintech empowered us to explore technologies like digital payment and blockchains.
PIBM's training in investment and securities built our knowledge in portfolio management and equity research.
Through PIBM's experiential learning, we integrate finance with real-world business decision-making.
PIBM's accounting and financial sessions has helped me to enhance my financial accounting standards knowledge and as well as IFRS knowledge.
So now let's hear some more experiences.
PIBM's financial modeling classes helped me a lot in my placement journey.
PIBM's modules on branding and strategic marketing guided me in building integrated marketing campaigns.
Through business analytics and consumer insights training at PIBM, I learned how to segment the market, analyze the current industry trends, and how to position a product into the market effectively.
During my PGDM course at PIBM, I specialized in business analytics, and through predictive modeling, SQL and machine learning basics, I learned to extract insights that helped in strategic business solutions.
Faculties here at PIBM gave me an exposure on the tools like Python, Power BI, Tableau, SQL. It made me understand how I can use the data and turn the data into an insights, and I can make a data-driven decision. And it made me more corporate level ready.
The Bloomberg Terminal certification provided us real-time exposure to global financial data and analytics.
Versant mock PI and GD training helped me crack Deloitte's rigorous selection process.
Thanks to PIBM, the #1 college, for providing us the rigorous finance training. We all are ready to begin our journey with Deloitte.